Welcome to this tutorial on using the Cloudinary image upload in Nuxt. If you are looking for an easy way to handle image uploads in your Nuxt projects, Cloudinary is a fantastic cloud-based media management service. By the end of this video, you'll have a fully functional upload widget that seamlessly integrates with your Nuxt application. Handling asset uploads can be difficult, as it requires you to cover multiple cases, such as single versus multiple files, file formats, drag and drop, and many more. Thankfully, Cloudinary helps by providing a handy feature for uploading files, and in the Nuxt module we can use it even easier. For the demo, I have created this simple Nuxt-free and Tailwind CSS application that has a header and displays an Upload Widget button. After clicking the button, an Upload widget will open, allowing you to upload new files to the Cloudinary by either selecting or drag-drop a file from a local machine, or by selecting one of many useful sources. After selecting files and clicking Open, it will upload them to the Cloudinary media library. We can see uploaded images, and we can inspect that by using the DevTools and seeing that the image source points to Cloudinary. As easy as that. We can also confirm that by going to Cloudinary Media Library and navigate to Assets. If you have not installed the module yet, you can do so by typing yarn add Nuxt.js/Cloudinary. Let's now take a look at how this was implemented. In the nuxt.config.ts file, I have listed a module, Nuxt Cloudinary, in the modules array after installing it in my project. Then I passed the cloud name property in a Cloudinary object of the Nuxt configuration. Cloudinary was integrated with our project, and we can start using it now. In the app.view component, I have a header, and I'm using the Nuxt upload widget component. Let's see how this component works in more details. At the top, we have widget uploaded URLs ref variable that will store URLs of uploaded images that we will get from Cloudinary after uploading. This way, we can instantly see in our application what images were uploaded. Next, we have a function called onUploadSuccess that will push a new URL to the widget uploaded URLs array once upload will finish successfully. When we scroll down to the template section, in the line 12, we can see that we are actually using the CLD upload widget component from Nuxt Cloudinary module. We utilize the vslot to have access to the open function that we will later use in the button tag to open the upload widget. Next, we pass the upload preset that I have taken directly from the Cloudinary dashboard. I will talk a bit more about signed versus unsigned upload later in the video. Finally, we pass our onUploadSuccess function as a prop onUpload. If we scroll down, we can see that below the button, we will display all the uploaded images. CLD upload widget component accepts multiple configuration options via the options prop. Let's take a look at the example of sources. The sources parameter accepts an array of string values defining the source options to add to the upload widget, where each source defines a new upload tab or source option within the widget. By default, all sources are allowed, but we can restrict it like following. For additional information about the upload sources, please visit the Cloudinary documentation. There are two options when using the CLD upload widget: signed and unsigned. These options allow you to control the amount of security and restrictions you place on uploads. With Unsigned Upload, anyone can upload images to your Cloudinary space. To give Unsigned access for upload, the upload preset requires that unsigned uploads are permitted, and it can be done without any additional component configuration needed. Signed Upload, on the other hand, allows restricting who can upload images by requiring a signature that needs to be generated on the server. Signing upload requests requires passing in an endpoint to the component. An example of signature generation endpoint is shown below. Let's review. You have successfully integrated the Cloudinary upload widget into your Nuxt project. This setup makes handling media uploads super easy. Make sure to visit the official documentation of the upload widget, as well as Nuxt Cloudinary documentation about the component.